This video provides instructions on how to create a Pareto chart in an Excel spreadsheet. If you are interested in understanding Pareto analysis, please refer to my previous video. The link can be found in the description sections. Let's begin by opening a new blank spreadsheet. Next, create a table of data. I will be using the example from my previous video, which involves a fast food restaurant that recently received 1,000 complaints from customers. The data table should consist of two columns. The first column is for the types of customer complaints, and the second column is for the count of each complaint. Based on the case study, we identified 4 main complaint types, with all the minor complaints categorized under the orders type. After entering all the necessary data into the table, select the entire table using your left mouse button. Then click on Insert in the Insert tab at the top of your Excel spreadsheet. Choose either chart or recommended chart. The Insert Chart window will appear. Select the On Chart tab, and then choose the histogram category on the left-hand side. You will find the Pareto chart on the second tab of the histogram category. Finally, click OK. Your Pareto chart is now populated. You can copy and paste the chart into your report or presentation slides. If you are interested in learning about what to do after conducting Pareto analysis and how to identify the root causes of problems, please watch my video on fishbone analysis. The link is also provided in the comment sections below. Thank you.